Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today is day one of my extravaganza, so be sure to watch the entire video and listen for your two numbers that will go in the first two spots of 10. Alright, as you can see, I am working on this again. Yeah, I saw this yesterday when I was showing you everything that I worked on and gotta do it. So I'm going to be working like within these flowers and possibly on his tail a little bit. The color that I'm using is 606 and it's kind of an orangish red. So yeah, I'm looking for my thimble. Yeah, I'm organized today. Oh, heck no. Heck no. It's Wednesday. It's my Friday. Yay! I know. I work so many days. You know, all three of them. What can I say? And I just want everyone to know, I didn't say it, I don't think, yesterday, but everybody is welcome to join in on this extravaganza. I do ship worldwide. So, watch the videos, collect your numbers, and here we go. Yeah, yesterday, it was just cold. But, I mean, it got to 47, but, you know, I just didn't feel it, really, you know. Not so much. And it really wasn't windy or anything, but yeah, I was cold by the time I got home. I was just done in. So I had some of my leftover roast that I can't seem to get put together into beef and noodles. That's the plan. So I may just, I don't know, toss that roast into the freezer temporarily and then make beef and noodles over the weekend. Yeah, because I'm afraid to leave it out at all. And it's not like it's not in the refrigerator, but yeah. But beef and noodles sounded really good, and I've got enough beef there to make a batch and be able to put them in the freezer. So, which is usually what I do. Holy cow. Some days. Let's go that way and go that way. Get my act together here. And I want to thank Peggy. She knows what she did. Thank you so very much for the super thanks. It is greatly appreciated. So I didn't want to forget to thank her. Yeah. Tomorrow I get to go make baklava. Yeah, it'll be my first time making baklava. So, as I understand it, there are several different types, so I don't know how and what this is all going to do. So, we'll see. But I'm sure we'll have a grand time putting it together. Man, we're back to this silly mat. I may have to see if there's any other mats that I can get to put underneath my stitching. The reason why I put this piece of shelf liner, shall we call it, and it's made, I don't think it's made by Rubbermaid, but it's rubber. Oh my goodness, everybody get straightened out there. So, yeah. The reason I did was because, well, I was working on diamond paintings way back. And I found this shelf liner stuff. And I thought, well, we'll see how that works. So it worked perfectly. Plus, my cross-stitch stuff was sliding. Every time I'd pick it up, the whole thing would come right at me, so it wouldn't stay in view of the camera. So, yeah. So, I don't know. It's just being kind of insane. It just sticks to I don't know if they changed canvases and that's what's causing it. I got nothing. Or if I put it upside down. It just... Oh my goodness gracious. So, yeah. May have to go to a plan B here. Because it's been working fine for 3 years. I did go get a new piece of it because, yeah, the other was looking a little ratty, so we are. I don't know. If y'all got any kind of new suggestions or what I should really be looking for? Sorry, I needed a drink. Yeah. So, at least it wasn't busy. I mean, it was flat out pretty boring last night. And today, we don't have we don't have an order coming in. So we won't have to put stuff away, which, oh, crap, which is nice. So, looking forward to that. I'm glad we went to every other week. The first number today is 92. 92. Before I forget to say the numbers. I really wanted to start on this bird. So, let's see how well it turns out. There's a couple of symbols here. Okay, okay. Come on. Everybody get their act together. But I just didn't get to it last week, or I don't know, somewhere over the weekend at all. I found that little train station, so I stitched on it. I swear, the longest between that and the pansies. Can't tell what that symbol is. I'm gonna call it a V because I can't see it up close. So we'll just stitch around. So, anybody going anywhere this weekend exciting and fun and everything? Or are you having weather issues? The snow still has not even, it's just barely scratched the surface of, what do you call it, like melting off? Yeah, we're not there. Not in the least. The road, like, okay, I live in a park, so the next road over, which is the main road, it's snow-packed. Yeah. Not even melted off. But if you go, what is it, 2 blocks to get to the main highway, the highway is clear. Yeah, they have not shoveled or anything over here. And it wasn't much better last night when I came home. I mean, it's like none of it has melted whatsoever. So, yeah. It was crunchy and fun. And in places there's ice, but not on the main road. Oh, no. This magnet is just killing me today. We're just going to do this. There we go. I got my little, I don't know, we've had this discussion. I don't know, oh my gosh, really? Get over there. It's the, I call them Orioles. I don't know what you all call them. Let me see if I can just lift it up. They're so pretty, and I love all them flowers. I'd like to find that cross stitch. This is it's evidently a spring kit. I don't know if I have or I haven't seen that kit before. If you have, comment below. I do need one of those. Thank you so much. We're just having days and moments here. I'm telling you. Speaking of the birds, I put food in the bird feeder, and they've obliterated the food 3 times. I'm gonna have to go down to I think I got that from Walmart, down to Walmart and get a big bag, because I have a, oh, what is it called, like a storage box that I put it in, because was it last year I had like a 25-pound bag of birdseed. And yes, the mice that stay at my house all the time, oh crap, yeah, they got into it, and they had sunflower seeds everywhere, just everywhere. So the last time that I went and got bird seed, I only got like a 10-pound bag, maybe. It wasn't too big. Maybe, I'm trying to think about what size it was. It was like 8 inches across and about 12 inches tall. And they had some flavor, we'll call it. What is going on here? Like it was, I don't know, it had certain different kinds of birdseed. I can't even think of anything other than sunflower seeds. Yeah. And so it was on sale, so I got about 3 bags of that. I think they were like $5 a piece or something. So, yeah. So I'll have to go fill up. Now I can get birdseed at the True Value here. And when I bought the soot cakes, oh, just go over there and sit. You're just getting on my last nerve. When I went and got soot cakes, it wasn't even really that time of year. It was like summer. But I saw them, and they had them on sale, so you could have them for later. Yeah. Well, I didn't get birdseed then. So, yeah, it was awesome sauce. But I bought like 4 or 5 of the soot cakes. I put those in the tree. But I went out there yesterday to go to work, and there was little itty-bitty pieces of sunflower seed that had just been cracked into a million pieces out there. So I was like, oh, this is fun. They made a mess all over the snow that's piled up out there. I'm like, okay, well, I guess they like that seed. And I don't know where Mr. Squirrel is. He used to get up there and eat everything out of the bird feeders in the spring. So, do squirrels hibernate? I don't remember. I can't remember. If you know the answer to that question, please put that in the comments below. Because I thought about that the other day. I wonder if he's still around, because I haven't seen him. And of course I hadn't had any bird seed out there since, I don't know, maybe the first part of, whoops, I went the wrong place, of summer, and it was still freezing cold and rain and all that stuff, so I kept putting the bird seed in it. And and stuff, but he would get up there and just wipe it out. So I finally put a big rock there, and he was trying to jump from my, I had, what do you call them, like a 4x4 post on the corner of my porch, and he would climb up that, get on that, and then just jump on top of the air conditioner that's in the window where I've got the bird feeder thing. Yeah. And just munch away. It was awesome. The second number today is 23. 2, 3. So the first two numbers are 92 and 23. So write that down, and in the next 4 days, or 5 days, you will get 8 more numbers. Save them, and then Monday I'll have another stitch with me. And in that comment section below, on that video only, put all 10 of your numbers. Do not put today's numbers in the comments section, or I will disqualify you from the drawing. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. It's always fun to do a drawing. And they're all going to be Christmas kits. You know, Christmas-oriented kits. So, yeah. I won't have any regular ones. They're all Christmas kits. Alright, guys. Well, I think that is going to be about it today. Thank you for joining me. Join me tomorrow for day 2 and 2 more numbers. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.